I suppose we're gonna get rolling today there. Gotta feed my feeders so we can run through the back and get to the back 8 acres back there. So I'm test fire the old 1680 and see if she's ready to rock. Still gotta go back there and grease the head and hook it up. That shouldn't take too long. 21's there. We did the PTO seal, put a shaft in the PTO. A lot of fun work, not really. That door's off because we had a bull actually it's still here, but we had a bull that got underneath it and run it off its track, so that's nice. But we're gonna get these calves to feed here and then I'll get back to you. Alrighty, so they got their stuff. Pigs need a little bit of water. I bought these guys a few months ago. I think they're little guys. And here they come. There's 4 left. We sold 2 steers the other day, and then there's 4 left and 1 out in the pasture that got out. So 5 actually. So we'll go kick on the water here. And we also got these 2 little girls. Mama's didn't take, so they get the special treatment. Heads there, 1086 is back there. So yeah, get them all fed up here and get to rolling. Bought another semi. Not using the other 2 because they need work, but this one she's mint, so we'll make sure to the dollies are up on the trailer and the grease, or not grease, but lubricate the slides. Got her all fueled up. Dad's being the semi right now. Magnum's still in the shed, and so is the ARC cart, so no longer carts tonight, but that's okay. Just getting rolling here. So I'll get back to you when we get out there. Oh shoot. Let's see here. Slide through here. Just them little patch of beans out there. I don't think that corn's quite gonna go yet. I think we got some corn that's probably ready at Dad's house, but the 21's not ready, and no rush, so it's alright. All the cows out there. Picked up 2 more cows this year. One with the calf and one without. That's bred, so hopefully we have something soon. Nice black Angus and a nice Hereford cow. So, got about 3 cuts off the hayfield this year. 2 of them were too shabby, and then the last one was actually surprising. We don't usually get much for 3rd cutting off this field, but actually I bet we got I don't know, there were probably 120 bales on a rack wagon, and we stopped. And then square baling at least, and then there was 2 more round bales, so not bad off, what, 4 acres? And then we had another 3 acres up the road that we did for somebody, and we ended up keeping the hay off that. So that's nice. So, here I'll turn around here and have Dad come here with the head, grease it all up, and hopefully get these 8 acres all cut tonight. That'd be nice. Good start on things. There we go. Hooked up and got him rocking. Hopefully, I guess we didn't ever see no beans come through the combine. But take this old girl. This is the new rig. Take this one right up there. Little rattle trap. She's got the big cam, obviously. So we'll go ahead and get this over out there. sound too bad for a muffler on her. Day 2's going well. Well, we got her all back together. The pin shaft, whatever you want to call it, that holds that auger in on that side, decided it was done with life, so it quit on us, and then we just made one work instead of tearing it all apart. So I gotta hook this shaft back up, and then we had to play with the fingers, adjustment on them a little bit, but we got her back. So put the shield back on over there, put this on, and I don't know if we're gonna go cut any more tonight, but we'll see here. Well, it's day 3. Got the head fixed. It's probably 9:30 in the morning. Got the head fixed, so we think. So we're gonna go out there and test her. I gotta fire up the truck here. Sometimes today we need to pull out the magnum, pull it off the planter, and pull off the planter and go get the cart from Dad's house. So, get rolling here. Look at them nice new tires on the trailer. That's a first. Tread for days. Hoses on there, so let's get to work. Truck down here. I guess we're having more problems with the combine, so let's see what's going on here. Look at that, we're all color matched. Even the wheels. Turns out her fingers are just out of adjustment. Gonna adjust them right back. Start over at Dad's place, but I don't see that happening. Lunchtime. We're just gonna send it, you know. I'm sure it could probably be greased in some places, but I'm just gonna see if everything works. I gotta get water because I still have to charge JC in the tractor, and that's not gonna happen today. There's a Wacky. She's almost ready for paint. A few little things. Not bad for spending average. I say average per weekly. We probably spend like 2 hours on that truck a week, maybe. So honestly, I don't think we made that bad a time for not spending more than we did. So I've had one guy back out on me to paint it. then I had one guy who said he's full, so I got another guy lined up here hopefully, so get her painted this, hopefully up to fall or something like that. Even the cameras work, she just wants to be used. Alright, there's the old tin. How's it go? Discs, CRP ground the other day. They're gonna burn some of it off, so we just hooked up the old tin and let it rip. There's the old 8 thing back there. I just laid the sheet metal down. That ain't gonna hurt that much. Get rolling here. My little Ranger. It needs a wash, but it's okay. Justin hooked it off the planter, so I need to charge the batteries, but that's okay. That means I'm gonna have to polish my chrome stack in the field. So that's gonna happen. Probably not. Get rolling here. Well, she's kind of blowing. I'm still gonna sweat though. So that sucks. Anyway, get her. Pick her up a few gears here. Get her going. There's 18, and then throw the throttle. I'll get back to you when I get to the field. It's just past this roadhouse up here. So I'd say harvest 20 is in full swing. Got the old truck going out there. Grandpa's got her loaded down pretty good. So he's rolling over there. Let's see, what have we all had go wrong with the combine today? Or so far? The auger tried to eat its lunch and just destroy itself, so that's fix that. That took a day. No big deal there. They make a part to fix it, but we just made it ourselves. It took us 6 hours, but that's okay. We didn't know about the part. Then we had to adjust the fingers on the auger because we had them 180 to what they were supposed to be. So we'll fix that this morning, and then we just threw a chopper knife right before we got this hooked up, and wanted to. She was going to try to burn herself down, but we didn't let it happen. So that fixed that. I actually just did the old chopper, singular chopper knife delete, and yeah, picked up all the stuff that was smoldering. So that's good. So we did check the oil and everything. Though we're not that bad, but I'll probably grease it tomorrow morning. Fuel everything up. This will be interesting too, because we're gonna try to dump on the go, I guess, and I'm probably rusty. I know I'm rusty, and 30-foot head with the stock auger on a 1680 doesn't leave me much room to play. It needs a 5-foot auger extension. We've been talking about putting them on both combines, but everything costs money, so just pucker up, I guess. Pay attention. But then I think Dad's pretty much talked himself into running 2 combines and beans next year. He doesn't know whether to fix our 25-foot that we have or just buy another head. We kind of need another 20, but because we sold ours, but we'll see. A 20 would be alright. Here, I'll get back to you when we get dumped here, because I know this is probably not going to go the greatest. Well, I tried, but I guess we just got to find the sweet spot. That tire was less than probably 2 inches in width from hitting that. I know I can do it. I've done it before, but we just have to find the sweet spot, I guess. This is still better than him circling back around to a truck, though. Because he's got some up around, so I don't think we probably won't have anybody new here since I haven't posted in years, but turned up a little bit. This is our 16-row 2600 Kinsey planter. This here and there pulls a 5-shank ripper. Pulls this big old girl. Needs to be bigger, about 250 bushel bigger. But this is the grain cart to set up. Nice clean sample. You can't see it across the crap, but she's looking alright. But beans are drier than we thought. That's good. Whoa, look at that, buddy. You just pick him up. Going there for now. Sorry for the wind, because I know this wind's going to be horrible on the video. I got the straight pipe running through it. I need to polish it, you know. Don't wash the rest of the tractor, just polish the straight pipe. These rocks just don't get any wider, do they? Letting out all my lukewarm air. Shoot, turn her on, boys. She's not working, but I'll have to charge her up tomorrow morning. We're getting her. Another thing I forgot to mention, it's 85 degrees out. It's hot. I mean, this is like,
you know how crabby everyone is.
This is the hottest I've ever remember catching beans. I mean, it is hot. Not horrible, not the worst I've seen, but I will take my sweatshirt weather over 85 degrees every day of the week. Two more. It's a big one. Need a stone picker. Oh well. Last of this field. Probably gonna move tonight. Hopefully, maybe even get started. Didn't think we would, but I think I'm gonna be surprised here. Off to Dad's house we go. Trucks, the quarter's full. Auto cart's empty, obviously. It's a combine. I'm gonna drive the auto car down there, and Dad's got the head. Probably get the combine rolling, leave the auto cart, and I'll drive them back down here and get the truck. Something like that anyways. Oh, good to see it hasn't gotten any cooler in here while I was gone. Oh, in here. I'll get back to you in a second. Get her shifted there, Potter. There we go. Come on, boy. Got a little fuel in this over room. Then we'll go get the sun. So we're at the next field here at Dad's house. Third field so far. Grandpa's getting this end opened up. He ran 2 passes through the middle, roughly the middle, and then 2 passes on the end down there. So we're gonna open this up and get one load, one hopper on me. And Dad went to go take that load to the elevator. So just keep rocking, I guess. So the beans get tough. They seem to be testing alright, so keep trucking. Corn's about there too. I mean, honestly, you probably can pick that corn right now. I don't know what it's testing, but it don't look too far off. So, let's see how much of this 40 we can get done tonight. I think it's a 40. header stopped picking up and the auger couldn't move, so fix that. So that's all good. I'm gonna put this on the truck so we can finish loading it. Keep rocking here. What do you think, dog? Good, man. Got about 2 hoppers. He cleaned all that up because that was just kind of a pond mess there. So clean that up. We're gonna come back and keep working this way. Dad's waiting in the truck, so that's if I load him, but waiting on the combine. Why you keep calling? Surprised my light works on the auger. That's nice. I was expecting it to not work, but thank God. It makes things a lot easier. Well, we shut her down for the night. It's about 7 o'clock, 7:30, something like that. Decided to better quit early. Quit while we're ahead. And the truck's about half full, and everything else is empty. So I guess we'll start again tomorrow morning.